if you're looking for a great dehumidifier, you're going to want to check this one out. It comes with a super handy instruction guide right over here that walks you through literally exactly how to set this up. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this right over here. So this is good for 34 pints. It's going to come with a drain hose as well that is 6.5 feet, which is great to empty it. So to turn this on right over here, we're just going to hit that power button right over there. So this is going to get it going for us. This is the fan right over here. You can control the speed. So you'll have a low and a high right over here. Even on high, it doesn't sound really loud, which is great. I hate a noisy dehumidifier. You also have a humidity setting right over here. So you can see you could do all different types over here, which makes it really nice. We also have a timer over here. So you could set how many hours you want it to go for, and that will take care of everything for you, just like that. It is on wheels, which is really, really nice. I like that feature about it. And then this is how we're gonna open it right over here. And your water is gonna be back here. You also have a clear line right back there, so you can see how much is in there. Love the fact that it's small, it's compact. You do about 2,400 square foot room. So if you're looking for a dehumidifier, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.